Good morning, you're Bonita Graham.
Yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Graham, you are on probation, obviously, for credit debit card abuse, and there's a new offense of credit debit card.
Right from the start, notice what the judge is doing here. This defendant is already on probation for credit/debit card abuse. And now there's a new charge for the exact same offense. In probation cases, repeat behavior is a huge red flag. Let me ask you this. If someone commits the same crime again while on probation, should the court still show leniency?
Abuse. Ms. Holmes is asking for some additional time to discuss with you and Mr. Coleman what your options are in your cases. And she's also asked me if I would reconsider the bond condition requiring your GPS monitor. So you're still going to probation regularly like you're supposed to, correct? Do you have any other information, recent information from probation that she's not doing what she's, as far as reporting?
No, Judge. No indication that she's otherwise violated that condition.
Okay. Let me look at something else also.
This detail matters more than it sounds. The judge confirms this was straight probation, not deferred or specialized supervision. That means the court already trusted her once, and trust is currency in the courtroom. When that trust starts cracking, judges get a lot stricter. Do you think probation should be treated as a second chance or a final warning?
So this was already a straight probation. Debit card abuse.
And then she's also on home confinement, except for you did give her some location, like for her to be able to pick up her grandchild, because she takes care of her grandchild. So I know that there's restrictions on where she can and cannot go included.
I just want to make sure that, Ms. Graham, you understand that a condition of your bond, if it was not already, is that you have absolutely no type of work, whether it is for income or not, taking care of anyone in their home, elderly, children, it doesn't matter to me. No home health stuff, no taking care of anyone, family or otherwise. Do you understand?
Here's a critical bond condition the judge is locking down. No caregiving work at all, paid or unpaid. Why? Because access to people's homes, purses, and personal belongings creates temptation, and courts are all about reducing opportunity. This isn't punishment yet. It's prevention, fair restriction, or too extreme.
Yes, ma'am.
So that wasn't what the first one was anyway. That was just, what you're on probation for is just helping someone pick up their purse that dropped and taking a credit card and using it for yourself. And so let me look at the new offense probable cause. Okay, that really didn't have anything to do with what was going on. These are just offenses of opportunity.
Listen closely to how the judge frames this, offenses of opportunity. That phrase carries weight. It tells us the court believes these weren't planned crimes, but spontaneous decisions. When temptation appeared in legal terms, that still equals responsibility. And sometimes even more concern, because opportunity can happen anywhere. Do you agree with that logic?
In different places, it appears. So I'm not sure where that. Is there any information that you have further on Mr. Coleman, or the allegation of where or how the complaining witness, Ms. Brittany Morgan's card ended up?
It was
I understand
auto body shop.
Place of employment, right?
No, it was an auto body shop.
It was used at the auto body shop.
Well,
No.
she was working there.
The lady was an employee at the auto body shop in which Miss Graham was getting her car fixed over there. And the allegation is that she went into the lady's purse.
Well,
And
I thought she was
So
working
are the
there.
bond that's,
the complainant worked at the auto
Yeah.
body shop.
okay. So I guess, hold on, let me look at one more thing, because the bond conditions that are in place at this point is she's allowed to go to the grocery store, to church on Sunday, and transportation for her granddaughter as set out in the motion. No, I'm not going to modify that. Based on the history, you can continue wearing that GPS. I want to make sure that you're only going to the places that you're supposed to, because obviously if there's any opportunities that are afforded you with someone's belongings, you're going to take advantage of that, it appears. So
This is the turning point. The judge refuses to remove the GPS monitor citing history, and pattern GPS isn't about punishment, it's about accountability and boundaries. The court is essentially saying, we're going to limit your access to temptation. Final question for you. Is strict monitoring the right response here, or should the focus be rehabilitation instead?
no, I'll reset the case, and we'll see you back at the next court date. Stay in touch with Ms. Holmes. She'll let you know when you need to be back. Thank you. You're free to go.